The more fat loss information you consume, the less fat you'll actually lose. And I know that sounds backwards, but after coaching over 25,000 clients, I've watched AI and ChatGPT make results worse. And if you don't catch what it's doing to your brain, you'll stay stuck forever. So here's the trap and 3 ways out. And here's the part nobody tells you about ChatGPT and losing fat. You can ask it everything. The best workout split, how many calories, give me a meal plan, everything. You have more fitness information than any human has ever lived. And yet, you're still stuck. And maybe it's because you're frozen. You have 10 different plans and you haven't started any of them. Or maybe you start one, but you switch every single week because you see a new video and go ask AI. Or maybe the worst one, you feel like you know everything, but you still can't stay consistent. And now you feel stupid on top of stuck. There's a name for what's happening to you, and I call it information obesity. You're binging information the same exact way people binge food. Because information has calories too, and you can feel completely full and get zero nutrition. Think of it like a menu. If you hand someone a menu with 5 things on it, they're gonna order in 30 seconds. But if you hand them a menu from the Cheesecake Factory with 40 pages on it, they're gonna stall and not know what to order for the next 20 minutes because there's so many options. And the more options didn't help them, it froze them. And that's your brain right now with fat loss. And it gets worse because your brain will give you credit for the workouts you never did or the calorie deficit you never stuck to. Because when you research the perfect plan, you save the recipes and the meal plans, you map everything out for the upcoming week when you're super motivated, your brain checks a box and it gives you a sense of dopamine like you're doing something. It feels like progress has happened. So then the itch to actually do the things gets quieter. And that's why you can spend an entire Sunday planning out the perfect week, but then by Monday, you have less motivation to do it. And so more information is never going to fix this. More execution fixes this. So I'm gonna give you 3 things that I use with my online coaching clients to actually execute, even when you're busy, even when you're unmotivated, you travel. And this first strategy works because it catches you in a lie that you don't even know you're telling yourself. You think you're being consistent with your diet? Prove it. Because here's what you remember. The grilled chicken salad you had on Monday, and the protein shake that you had on the way home from work on Wednesday, maybe the donuts you said no to in the office. But here's what you don't remember. Not tracking Friday night or Saturday night, or not tracking the handful of chips you had or the extra creamer in your coffee. On top of that, your brain is constantly thinking about fat loss and calories and losing weight, so you think you're on top of your game 24/7, and you're walking around saying, I'm doing everything right and nothing is changing, when in reality, you were only on track 4 out of the 7 days. Your memory is like a highlight reel. It only remembers the good clips. Whereas the strategy I'm about to give you is like security footage. It doesn't care about the story you tell yourself, it only cares about what actually happens. So here's what you do. Get a calendar, put it where you can see it every day, and every day you hit your calorie goal, give yourself a red X on that calendar. Every day you don't hit your calorie goal, give yourself a black check mark on that calendar. Because now you can't argue with yourself. You see the week. You'll see those 4 X's, but you'll also see those 3 check marks. And that awareness alone will create change. And the second thing that happens is when you start to stack up these red X's in a row, you will want to keep that streak going, so you will keep executing on your plan. And our client Marie is a perfect example of this. She swore she was doing everything right, but just couldn't see progress. And then when she joined our 8-week challenge, we started tracking her food and showed her how consistent she really needed to be to make progress. And now she's lost over 12 pounds and 2 inches on her waist in the last 8. The calendar will show the truth. And a quick note, you can't make a red X on your calendar if you don't know your calorie goal. So in the description of the video below, I have a free calorie calculator you can use. It's the same one I use with our online coaching client. And once you have that and you have the security footage, people get fired up. And then they make the mistake that kills fat loss journeys before it even starts. And that is the fastest way to fail is trying to fix everything all at once. And you know, the Monday restart, I'm gonna work out 6 days a week, meal prep all of my foods, get 10K steps, no alcohol. And then by Thursday, one of those things is gonna drop. You're gonna feel like a failure. You're gonna say, screw it, and restart on Monday. Think of your willpower like an outlet in your kitchen. If you plug one thing in, no problem. But if you try to plug 10 things in at once, the breaker breaks, and when that happens, the entire kitchen shuts down. And that's what changing everything all at once does. You didn't fail at steps, you tried to do everything all at once and you lost everything. And that's exactly why with the clients that we coach, we take a ladder approach. If somebody comes to us and they really struggle with workout consistency, we're not gonna start them with 6 days a week of workouts. Because you don't climb a flight of stairs by going from the bottom step and taking one huge step to the top. You climb the steps one by one. So pick one thing, do it for 2 to 3 weeks straight, and just become non-negotiable with that. Doesn't mean you can't do some other stuff, but there's one thing you overly focus on. Nail that, and then go to the next. But even with the calendar and the ladder, there's one thing that will beat everybody in your fitness journey. And this next strategy is what that exact moment is built for. Because everything falls apart when it's just you. If nobody's checking on you Thursday night at 8 p.m. when you're not motivated, you've had a long day from work, and you just want to overeat, is going to win. Because let's be honest, nobody's really going to know besides you. And then that one night turns into, well, it's the weekend, I'll just get back on track fresh on Monday. Think about this like your house. If somebody texts you and says, hey, I'm stopping by, what do? Or what do all of our moms do? They make sure the house is spotless. Why? Because somebody else is coming over. If it's just us, it doesn't matter. But if somebody else is visiting, it has to be perfect. And that's just how human beings work. It doesn't mean you're weak. You should start using it to your advantage in your fat loss journey. And that's one thing AI will never be able to give you. And one of our clients, Michael, proves this. This was somebody who he had worked out on and off his entire life, but when he joined our 8-week fat loss challenge, he lost over 40 pounds, and he credits it to somebody was actually holding him accountable. It's not that he didn't know what to do, he just needed some extra guidance and accountability to stick with it. And I'll be honest, yes, I am a coach and I have my own coaching program, but you don't have to sign up for us. This could be posting on social media. This could be creating a group with your coworkers. This could be signing up for a race that you know you have to be in a certain shape by to be able to complete it. Anything to give you accountability that is not just you. And once you do that, you will find sticking to it is much easier. And if you do want an expert one-on-one level of accountability where somebody is on your ass, for lack of better terms, and you want someone making your plan, adjusting it on a weekly basis to force your body to see results, that's exactly what we do in my 8-week fat loss challenge. You can click the link in the description of the video to learn more. And if you're also interested, something else that is changing fat loss forever is GLP-1 medication. And if you want to know how that's changing fat loss forever, you can watch this video here coming up next.